Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, O-level mathematics 4024 by 21 May June 23, and question number 3 A part is PQ is parallel to RS. PQ and RS are parallel, and ABCD. This is a straight line, and BE is equal to CE. These two lines are equal, and angle ABE angle is 110 degree, and we have to find calculate angle ECQ. This angle we have to find. I name it as angle X, so we have to find the value of angle X, giving a reason for each step of your working. We have to give the reason for all the steps that we are going to use in this question. Now students, first of all, think that a triangle EBC is an isosceles triangle. So this angle and this angle both will be equal. If I name it as angle A, this angle will also be angle A because EBC is an isosceles triangle. Now students, it is very simple and easy question because angle A and 110 will be equal to 180 degree because ABCD is a straight line. So we will solve it as A plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree, and the reason is ABCD is a straight line, or you can say that these are the adjacent angles on straight line. So students, the value of angle A will be 180 degree minus 110 degree, and it is 70 degree. So angle A is equal to 70 degree. So this angle will also be 70 degree. Now students, look at angle BCQ. Angle BCQ will be equal to 110 degree. Angle BCQ, this complete angle will be equal to 110 degree. Reason is these two angles are corresponding angles because both the angles are below the parallel line and on the one side of the transversal line. ABCD is the transversal line. So angle BCQ is equal to angle ABE. So we will write it as angle BCQ is equal to angle ABE, and the reason is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are the angles that are below the parallel line or above the parallel line and on the same side of the transversal. So students, angle BCQ will be equal to 180 degree. Angle BCQ is equal to 110 degree, and angle BCQ is equal to 70 degree plus X is equal to 110 degree. Transfer this 70 to right side and it will become minus. So the value of X will be 110 degree minus 70 degree, and it is equal to 40 degree. And we have find out this angle that it is 40 degree. So I will write all the steps one by one. Angle ECQ is equal to 40 degree, and the reason is, as I have told you, that ABCD is a straight line. ABCD is straight line, and PQ is parallel to RS. All these 2 points are given. So students, first and triangle EBC is isosceles triangle. So angle CBE is equal to angle ECB, and we name it as angle A. Now students, angle A, I have already explained, angle A plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree, because these two angles are the adjacent angles on straight line. So we can write this point here, point 1, and then students, all the points are written here if you want to write it down. So students, we have found out the value of angle ECQ. You can write all the points here if you want. Now students, I am going to solve B part of the same question, and look at the B part. In B part, U, V, W, X and Y are the points on the circumference of the circle with center O. U, V, W, X and Y are the points lying on the circumference, and O is the center, whereas XZ is the tangent, and this angle is given as angle A, this angle of 35 degree, and we have to find the value of angle B in term of A. Now students, if you look carefully, this angle will be right angle, because the point where radius and the tangent meet each other, they are perpendicular to each other. So this angle is of right angle. And UO, OY and OX are, these three lines are equal because they are the radii of same circle. Now students, first we will discuss triangle OXY and find the value of this angle YOX. So students, I will write here in triangle OZX, sum of angles in triangle, is equal to 180 degree. So students, angle Z is of 8 degree, angle X is 90 degree, and angle O we have to find, that is equal to 180 degree. So students, the value of angle O will be 180 degree minus 90 degree minus 8 degree. So the calculation will be done as 90 degree minus 8 degree. The value of this angle is 90 degree minus 8 degree. Now students, look at triangle XOU. It is an isosceles triangle. So the base angle of isosceles triangles are equal. These two angles are equal. If I name this angle as angle X, this will also be X. Now we will discuss triangle UOX, and I will write here in triangle OUX, angle OUX is equal to angle OXU. Reason is triangle OUX is isosceles triangle. And you know that the exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Here I will write exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So students, exterior angle is 90 degree minus A. 90 degree minus A is equal to opposite exterior angles are X plus X, and 90 degree minus A degree is equal to 2x, and 2 is multiplying. When we transfer it to other side, it will divide, and 90 over 2 minus A over 2 is equal to X, and the value of X degree will become 45 degree minus A by 2 degree. So the value of this angle is, students, 45 degree minus A by 2 degree. Now look at the diagram. U, V, W and X is an cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral mean if we take 4 points on the circumference and join them, that is the cyclic quadrilateral, and the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary angles. So the sum of U, this complete angle, and this angle is equal to 180 degree. So here I will write that UVWY is cyclic quadrilateral. So the sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degree. And students, and so angle B plus 35 degree plus X will be equal to 180 degree, and in place of X we will write 45 degree. So students, in place of X we will write 45 degree minus A degree by 2, and rest of the numbers will be written as it is. B degree plus 35 degree plus, in place of X it is written 45 degree minus A degree by 2 is equal to 180 degree. Now students, I will transfer all the numbers except B from left side to right side, and it is written as B degree is equal to 180 degree minus 35 degree minus 45 degree plus A degree by 2, and when we subtract, students, 35 and 45 from 180, we will have 100 degree plus A degree by 2, and it is the value of B in term of X, and we will write it here as B degree is equal to 100 plus A over 2, and it is question number 2 of the paper, and I hope you have understood all the points. And if you will feel any ambiguity while understanding the questions, you can contact me through Instagram, as well as you can comment in the comment box. I will try my level best to respond to you as soon as possible. And at the end, I would like to say that may Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.